Hello. It's getting a bit cold, isn't it? That's why I've crafted my own Christmas outfit. If you often watch my videos, you might have spotted me using my new outfit already, and I wouldn't be much of a crafting channel if I didn't show you how it was made. We're starting by creating a nice long coat. You know, I've been running this channel for a while, over a year at least, and I've created a Christmas outfit last year. I say create, I didn't have time to create one, so I drew it. It might not be too good, but look at the improvement that's happened now. If you've made it this far in the video, thanks, I really appreciate your support. But also, let me know in the comments what outfit I should make next. I want to create a lot of different clothes.